If I'm a child of a permanent resident in the F2A category and I'm turning 21 in 3 months, will I be considered part of the tier 1 group when it comes to visa prioritization?
That you will be turning 21. You're going to end up in an F1 category. There is no prioritization and tiers, but it is a category of you're an F2A, and then you're going to be, you'll be an F2A because you're under 21, and once you turn 21, you're going to be F2B, which will then, at that point, change your category, not your tier, your category from F2A to F2B, which will now make your wait a lot longer, unfortunately.
Okay, Mariam on TikTok, she's saying, I won the lottery visa in 2016, but I have since overstayed, and now I'm out of status. Is there any way I can get a green card?
There's lots of ways to get a green card, but it's not going to be through the lottery unless you can get a provisional waiver, which will take way too long anyway by the time that lottery will be over. So every time you apply for the lottery, you're going to win and not get it. So don't bother. But maybe there's other options. You got to call me and see.
At Tall Sunset on Instagram, can my 22-year-old son, who is a U.S. citizen, help me return to the U.S. after being deported during Trump's presidency? It's been 2 years since I was deported, and it is a 10-year ban.
Depends what you were deported for. If you were deported just because you overstayed your time, then you would have to wait at least 10 years because you probably have a 10-year bar, plus you got deported and you can't get a waiver through your child. If you were deported because of criminal activity, then whether or not you're eligible for a waiver depends on what the criminal activity is.
Stacy Dahl on YouTube. If I received a conditional green card this year upon entry, should I file taxes as a married with my spouse, or wait until next year since I just entered the country in 2021?
You file based on the year you got married. So you presumably got married at least last year, so you should be filing a joint tax return.
Chai Brown on Facebook, how long does it take to get a response from the NVC if it says my request for expedited processing is under review?
Hopefully soon. Hopefully they'll expedite it. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.